If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Alright folks, I'm going to do a little bit of mail call here. And I've been meaning to get around to doing this, but sometimes you just have to wait till things get a little bit more easier for you. So, and right now I've recovered from the flu, but now I'm having some stomach problems. That's all I need, right? So, I'm enduring that, and I won't bore you with that, but anyway, here we go, first mail call. And I can't review these. Here are some brand new, very cool, pens, kind of, maybe. Well, they're really not pens. They're a new pencil that has come out. Brand new, at least new to me. Chinese pencil. Very interesting. And, well, let's just take this out of the sack. Dun, 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 dun. Very good, right, Mr. Nancy?
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right. It took a little while to get here, but that's okay. No rush. Anyway, I'll just show you that there's the lid part right here. And I will do a review on it as soon as possible. And I'll leave it at that. And then we'll go in for another one that just got here yesterday. Now that was not a long wait at all. A friend of mine, special thank you to Will Hodges for getting me this. Been on the hunt, and so has he. And here it is. It's an ink I've been wanting. And this one came from, we'll see, Will got this at, for those who's interested, Gold Spot Pens. Yeah. We'll open the receipt first. Gold Spot Pens, yeah, Okay. So let's open her up. And it's a Noodler's. See that pretty good there? Okay. Oh. There. There we go. Noodler's. And it's the, wow, it's the Holly. Wow. With the head of caramel. Here you go. With the caramel. And here it is, right here. It's the Noodler's what? Up there.
Let's see. Well, it says Noodler's bottled ink for fountain pens in Holly.
Yeah. You like to read the bottle over here?
Let's see here.
I guess that's a Christmas thing or something.
Yes, okay. The catfish is wearing a Christmas Santa suit. Makes him look like the Grinch a little bit. Okay, on the bottle it says a durable core of prime green with a halo of carmine.
Well, next, what I'm going to do is show you a sample of this beautiful ink. And here it is. Not, I'm lying. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. And then what?
I was going to say, you have one.
And then I may write with it. I don't know. Here we go. La 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 la. Well, here's the color right here. I'll just put that right there. Cover this sucker up because I'll drop it. And these things are full. Here it is. I like it. Have a holly jolly Christmas. The best time of the year. That's right. Well, what do y'all think of that? And now while I'm at it, I am going to, because no instructions came with this, I have to look this pencil up to get the instructions, because none came with it. And I'll do it just like the Lamy. And this comes from China. So we'll see, but I need to, this is what you say, jolly?
A durable core of prime green with a halo of carmine. It is called holly.
Holly. H-O-L-L-Y, right? That's
Yes.
how you spell it. I do like how this writes. This mechanical pencil by, it has a name that I have to look up. I'm impressed with it. And here it is, folks. Well, that's going to wrap it up. Hey, thank you 1,001 times, and Merry, Merry Christmas. It's always Christmas. Later. Peace and love.